So, how to use the text reader and the picture reader watch? It's very simple. First of all, keep in mind this device cannot read the PDF or doc file. So if you have a doc file or PDF file, you have to copy from the file and you have to paste in the txt file. This is because only smartwatch can read the PDF file, but for the smartwatch you need your phone to bring with you in the room, and the light of the screen is too bright, is too high, and is very easy to see and to spot the what you want to do. So this is so special. This watch is special, have some particular function. The bright of the screen, of the LCD screen, is a special made, is not too high the bright, and you have in the menu you have a special theme. When you activate this special theme, only you can see what is on the screen. You have you can see only from the specific angle. For example, if you keep like this and if you look on the screen from this angle, only you can see. If your supervisor come from front and he look at your watch, cannot see nothing because the screen is black. The LCD can be read it only from specific angle. This is very important function. Another one is the SOS button. When you press the SOS button, a clock appear here on the LCD watch, and even if your supervisor he press the button, the text or the picture cannot be restored. So you have to press in the specific way some button for relays for unblock the screen. So I speak a lot. Okay, so how to use? First of all, you have to put to charging. How to put a charge is very easy. You can use your USB adapter from your laptop or from your computer, or any portable power line adapter. You have to plug this connector, not press too hard to not broken the connector, and when you plug on the power or any USB, you have a menu. You can choose you want to charge the battery and to make transfer from the computer to the watch, or maybe you want to play and to charge. In my case, I will choose the charge and the transfer, and in this moment the computer he recognized the watch like a regular memory stick, USB stick, and you can open the drive, and there you can pass all information what you need: file, text file, picture file. Again, not forget to not put a large picture file. You can put a large text file but not large picture file. You need to put in the Photoshop, and you need to resize to maximum 150 by 150 pixel. So there you can put all information what you need in the memory. You have 8 gigabytes memory. It's enough for many words, many text file, and many picture. You can put mp3 file and mp4 file, but this I think not help you. Remember, the watch didn't have speaker, so if you want to play a video or a melody song, you have to put earphone here. So this is the power button. When you press here, you can shut down. If I press again, I turn on the watch. Okay, here you have principal menu. From here you can play music, here you can play video, here is the picture file. Okay, you can put here many picture you want. I'm not sure you can see on the screen. Okay, if I press a little bit I will go back. This is the note file. I open here. I will you can find all txt file what you put inside. If I press again and I keep a little bit press, I will go back. If I press shift, I will enter back. If I want to change the theme for you can see only from specific angle. For example, now is a regular theme, so you can see from all angle. Okay, but if I go back, let's go back from here. I have to press the power button and keep press a little bit and you will go back. And if I keep press a little bit, no, sorry, if I press shift, I will go in the settings menu. From here I can change the time. I can set a time. For example, I press the play file, I open the file can stay a little bit, and after this time what I put here, this is the second. Okay, for example, I put 5 seconds, and after I open the file stay for up on the first round for 5 seconds, and after auto scroll with the time what I put here. So if I put 0, is not auto scroll. I will make out manual scroll. I will set the time, which one time I want. If I want to disable, I put 0. I can delete ebook, or I can choose the theme. So I will select one. I can choose from 4 theme. I have a 4 option. The number 4 usual is a theme, is a special theme for can be seen only from one angle. I will set, I will go back, and I will open. So now I am not sure if you can see on the screen, but if you check like this, cannot see nothing. If you keep like this, you can see, but very hard. I am not sure. I hope you can see something. You see now can be seen, but very hard. This is special theme. You can see only if you look in from that direction. So if your supervisor come from front, cannot see nothing. Okay, I think I say almost all about these devices. You have many options in the menu. You have to make a little bit test before some practice, a little bit practice before use where you want to use. Here you have a menu, display settings. You can put a sleep time. The watch can appear after a time what you set here. You can set the power off after the time what you put here. Try to not change the language, because only English he works good. If you change the language, sometime some problem can occur. If you can format the memory, okay, 8 gigabytes, or if you make some change and you don't know how to restore, you can select factory reset. If for close, for shutdown, you have to press 3 seconds the power button. Let's see the SOS button. For example, if you are in the file, let's select the file. Okay, I open. Okay, now is is a text here. I'm not sure if you can see, but if I press short like this, now is watch. This is SOS button, SOS function. If I press any button, nothing not appear on the screen. So for unlock the screen, I have to press the SOS button again, and I have to keep press for 10 seconds. And after that, now is release and text is here. The battery lifetime, I'm not remember if I tell here. The battery lifetime is around 4 or maybe 5 hours. Not forget to unplug from the charging until you want to use. And again, not forget to put only TXT file and to resize the old picture what you want to use, and not put the PDF or doc file, because the watch cannot read.